Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix this video file cannot be played error code 102630. In the search box, enter CMD, click on Run as Administrator, and then click Yes to authorize. In the terminal, run the command ipconfig/flushdns, press Enter. After this, reset the WinSock catalog with the command netch winsock reset, press Enter. For this process to take effect, you are going to restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.